Okay, I told you that I'd have this done by 5, but someone came home and fell asleep. Oh, I feel horrible. I hope you feel good, but I feel horrible. But anyways, here's some problems you should know how to do. Now, the first two is factoring. It seemed like either you knew how to do a 4-term polynomial or you didn't know how to do it. This one, you have a minus square at the end, and these three look like they go together. So I'm going to do a 3 by 1. So you group these three and factor them. So it'd be x plus 2 minus y squared. This would be x plus 2 squared minus y squared. So it'd be x plus 2 plus y. X plus 2 minus y. Oh, I feel awful. Now, there's no minus square, so I would do 2. So this would be x to the 5th. Factor out the GCF. This would be 3, factor out the GCF. Then we have a common term, so factor that out. Now, if you don't want to listen to me, that's okay. Or if you can't listen to me because I sound awful, go ahead and just do these problems and fast forward what I say. But this one, you can take the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So this is just 3 times 2, which is 6. This is not a perfect square, so you have to break it up. And we've done 50 so many times, I don't know how you couldn't remember it. It's 5 squared root of 2. Now this one, we have to break this up into 2 parts. The perfect fifth power part and all the other stuff. Now a power, this has to divide into it. So I need a number that's divisible by 5, and that'd be 15. X squared would be left over. And this would be 20. Y cubed would be left over. So this would be x cubed y to the 4th, just divided by 5. This you can't do anything with. Okay, this one. I can only add it if it's the same index, which these are all square roots. And the same radicand. So I'm going to break it up. 4 is a perfect square. So it's 2 squared 11. This is 9 is a perfect square. So it's 3 squared 11. So that'd be 5 square root 11. Okay. This one distribute. So it'd be 2 square root of 25 plus 2 square root of 50. Again, 50, if you don't know that by now. 25 square root of is 5, so that's 10. 2 times 5 plus 50 is 25, and 2 square root of 25 is 5. So it's 10 square root of 2. This one, no plus or minus, so you just square both terms. So it's 9 times 5 is 45. Can you hear me? Or can only your dog hear me? Oh, that hurts. So I got a sum or a difference. This is a sum. So you square it. So it's 3 plus square root of 5. 3 plus square root of 5. So FOIL, so it'd be 3 and 3 is 9. 3 squared of 5. 3 squared of 5 is 6 squared of 5. Plus, this is square root of 25, which is 5. Combine that, it's 14 plus 6 square root of 5. Okay, this one, the FOIL, 2 and 2 is 4. 2 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3 is 0. And square root of 3 square root of 3 is square root of 9. So that's 4 minus 3, which is 1. Last 2 problems. Again, if you want to freeze, do this, and then listen, that's fine. But square root of 2, square root of 3 is square root of 6. Square root of 2, square root of 2 is square root of 4. Square root of 6, square root of 3 is square root of 18. And square root of 6, square root of 2 is square root of 12. So it'd be square root of 6. Square root of 4 is 2. 18 is 9 and 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Plus 12 is 4 and 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Then you look, can I combine anything? In this case, I cannot. Oh, there's no pluses or minus, so there's no foiling. I don't know why people always feel like they got to foil, but there's no plus or minus, so no foiling. So this is square root of 12, and 12 is 4 and 3, and the square root of 4 is 3. So I hope this helped you out a little bit. Sorry I didn't do it earlier. Oh, that's it.